Hi, I'm Adrian with the Physical Graffiti. This is Masako.
Yes, and Chopper.
It's our dog Chopper. So yeah, we're going to continue on with the motorcycle build. I just need to get a professional to come and look at a few things before we try to get it on the road. Got to get the push rods looked at, the ignition timing, and the brakes. It's most important.
そう、エイドリアンのバイクがもうすぐ出来上がるんですけど、最後の仕上げに、プロの、メカニックの人に来てもらって、きちんとバイクが動くかどうかを確認してもらうためのビデオを作成しました。
Yeah, I asked him if he makes house calls, but he's going to come and pick it up and take it to his shop. So we'll try to keep it short, and hopefully you can stay until the end.
OK、短くするので見てください。よろしく。
So I've been documenting this whole thing, and that's why I kind of like asked you if you do house calls.
Yeah.
So if you don't mind, can you tell what did we do? What did we do when you had it?
Basically, I adjusted your push rods, set your ignition timing, filled it up with oil, installed your exhaust, and I bled your front and rear brakes.
Nice.
And then I fixed the wiring that was kind of a little hokey.
Nice.
Yeah, it didn't really need a lot. This thing fired right up.
I'm so glad. So good to hear. And then the name of your shop is
FTW Motors.
FTW Motors in Sedona.
Yep.
And then Steve. It's awesome, man. Oh, good.
I did it.
Look, I got the tank on. So currently we have nothing but a huge mess in here, which I'm getting ready to clean up. But we've made some real progress. So had a mechanic take the bike, and I asked him if he did house calls, but he's actually my neighbor and he has a shop in Sedona, and he actually came and picked up the bike, and he got the brakes working. I didn't want to take a chance on those. I wanted to make sure those are working correctly. So the brakes are done. And he also got the rear brake all hooked up. Got the front brake all hooked up, and it's working great. It's got a lot of pressure on there. So they both work fantastic. So I'll be able to stop. That's important. And then I also needed him to adjust the push rods. And again, I kind of wanted to film that and watch him do it. And then I asked him to start the bike. I asked him to put oil in it and start it. And the good news is that he got the push rods in and he started it right up. He seemed like he was kind of impressed. So I'm happy about that. And we brought it back here, started it up. There was a little bit of gas left in the gas line, and we started it up. He kept a little bit of gas in there, and it is loud, very loud. So we got the dashboard hooked up, got the tank on. That was quite a job because I had to get just getting the right bolts and everything to fit right. It's just, you wouldn't believe how much work it is. It's just incredible. For just finding the right bolts. I wanted to hook a horn up. I had a bottom bracket. It's my own sort of, improvise there, and hooked up the fuel line and the bottom bracket with the horns. Got the horn hooked up. got the tank on, and I got a dashboard on. Now I'm going to make a dashboard to match the seats, a dashboard cover out of leather. So that's going to be on the next video. So here we go. We have pretty much a complete bike. I am going to call the motor vehicle department and make an appointment to get this thing inspected and get it tagged. So hopefully when we come back for this on our next video, we will have a dashboard cover and we will get this started. So thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you next time.